Welcome to Education 24/7. In this tutorial, we will learn why and how to use comments in programming language. Comments are used in every programming language. With the help of comments, we can make our code more readable. In case if you have a lengthy code, then with the help of comment, you can explain the work of a specific part of a program. For example, in the previous video, we executed the basic code. So let's use the same program to understand the comments. So here is the program. If we want to put the comments here, we can put comments here by using /. For instance, we want to put the comment, the main function is entry point for C program. We have mentioned in comment that what is the use of main function. Now, if we want to execute this code, comments will not be on the output screen and they have no effect on output. Let's compile and learn our program. We have similar output as before. We can see here that comments part is not on the screen. So now suppose we have a larger comment and it comes in more than one line. Like here, I want to comment more. This is another comment. So this is not a valid comment. If we execute this code, it will show error. You can check it here at the bottom of compiler. It is showing some unknown expected error. To make it a valid comment, we will put // before the comment. So if we want a single line comment, we will use // but in case if you want to create a large comments or a block of comments, then we have a different syntax. /**, and // in between these your comment goes here. So this is how we create block of comments in between. Now you can write as many comments as you want. If we execute this program again, then you will see that we will get a similar output as we get it before. You can see at the output screen we got the similar output as before. So this is how we create block of comments. If you want to use a single line comment, then we will use //. But if you want to create a block of comment, then we will use /**, and a / and we will commit in between these. Remember, it is always a good for a programmer to write a comment in a program and make it more readable. In today's tutorial, we learned about comments, but in our upcoming videos, we will learn more about C language.